Hi everyone, in this video I will talk about the publication procedure with AGU Journals. So AGU has many journals, for example AGU Advances, Community Science, Earth Future, and today I will talk about my publication story with the Geophysical Research Letter. So if you want to submit your manuscript to this journal, go to the journal official website and then click here, submit an article. Log in. And this is the manuscript that I submitted 2 years ago and it was accepted. So I will show the manuscript submission history. So here I have two versions. This is the first version. So first I submitted this manuscript and it was reviewed and need to be revised. And this is the submission of the revised version. So let's go to the first version. Scroll down. And here, check status. Scroll down. Yeah. So on July 2022, I submit the manuscript. And then, as usual, when we submitted the manuscript and one PDF file will be created and we need to control if this PDF file is correct, and then it need to be quality control. And for my case, it does not pass the quality control, and I need to modify something, resubmit, and then it passed the quality control. And then the editor was assigned for my paper, and also an associate editor. So this will take around, from here to here, would take around 2 days to a week. And then the most consuming time is searching for reviewer and waiting for the reviewer report. So from here, from July to August. So 2 months. Yes. The editor searched for many potential reviewer, but just some of them agreed to review and then submitted their reports. And after 2 months, the editor finally received the report from the reviewer and sent me the decision letter based on that report and also based on the editor comments. So and then it takes from 1 month for me to revise from October to November. I revised 1 month and then I submit the revised version. So let's see the revised version history. This is the revised version. Go down, check status. So on November 2022, I submitted the revised version, and also it was assigned to the same editor and need to pass the quality control. For example, if the images or the format was not follow the journal or not. Well, luckily this time everything going well, and then it assigned to the same editor. And here, the editors take the decision based on my response to the reviewer comment. And so this just takes a few days. You see, from the 11th to the 17th, just more or less about a week. And then they just send me the decision letter which he accepted here, and then the manuscript was sent to production department. Yeah, and let's see here the final manuscript. Here's the final manuscript, the accepted version online information. So here, initial version was submitted on July 2022 and accepted on December 2022. So in total, it's 6 months. Yeah, thanks for your interest in this video.